Hello students, this is Sumit and I'm back with another video on integers, and this is from the ML Aggarwal book of Mastering Mathematics class 6. As we discussed integers on the last video about addition using number line, today we will discuss about how subtraction is done using the number line and also subtraction without using the number line. Now since we know that integers are positive and negative whole numbers, so there isn't much difference about addition and subtraction of integers. Instead, in general we follow the rule that same sign we should add the numbers and different sign we should subtract the numbers. So let's continue with the exercise. So question number 1 says using the number line, do the following subtraction. So it's like 4 minus of minus 2. So when there's a minus sign before the bracket, we write plus, or we change the sign inside the bracket, which is minus 2 becomes plus 2, right? So the question is 4 plus 2. So on the number line I have 4. This is then 4, and 2 plus 2 means move towards the right side. So the answer is 6. The next question is minus 4, and then again change the sign, so it becomes plus 2. So from minus 4 I will start and move 2 units towards the right, so it becomes minus 2. Then 3 minus 6. So I am at 3 and I'll move 6 places towards the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my answer is minus 3. Then we have minus 3 minus of minus 5, so that becomes plus 5. This minus sign of the changes because there's a minus sign outside the bracket. So minus 3 and then plus 5 units. So I am at minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I am at plus 2. So now this was using the number line. The next question is without using the number line. So whenever there is a subtraction, the from part is important because that's how we start the numbers. So minus 6 from 9. So I'm writing it in the mathematical form as 9 minus and then the other number. So that is 9 plus 6, which is equal to 15. I changed this minus into a plus sign because there was a minus sign outside the bracket. If there's a plus sign outside the bracket, the sign inside the bracket does not change. The next question is minus 9 and then minus 6. So same sign, add the numbers and put the same sign. So the sign here will be minus. Next question is minus 6 from minus 9. So minus 9 minus of minus 6. So that is minus 9 plus 6. So different signs I will subtract and I get 3, and the greater sign is minus. Then we have minus 63 and minus is the other number is minus 725. So this is minus 63 plus 725. So since it's different signs, so we will subtract, and since it is a little big number, so I can do the subtraction in the rough to show you how exactly the answer should be. So 5 minus 3 is 2 and 12 minus 6 is 6. So 662, and the sign would be plus. The next question is minus 376 and 10 is subtracted from it. So that becomes 10 plus 376, which is equal to 386. Then we have minus 620 minus 92. So same sign, add the numbers. If I add, I get 712 with a minus sign because the sign is to be written as it is. Now the next question is evaluate. If you see, it's a similar question like we did earlier. That is minus 237 and minus sign outside the bracket. So sign inside the bracket changes. So this becomes minus 1884. So same sign, so I have to add the two numbers. So 1884, I can also write it down. I can do it as a shortcut method. 4 plus 7 is 11, 1 carry. 9 plus 3 is 12, 1 carry. 10 plus 1 is 11, 1 carry, 2. That is 2121, and the sign will be minus as there is already a minus sign. Then we have minus 346, minus of minus, so that becomes plus 1275. So again different signs have to subtract, so I am doing the subtraction here as a rough work. So 15 minus 6 is 9, this becomes 6, 6 minus 4 is 2, and this is 9. So this is 929. Then we have minus 190, minus of minus 3, so that becomes plus 3512. So 3512, 3512, and since different signs I have to subtract 190. So 2 minus 0 is 2, 11 minus 9 is 2, 4 minus 3 is 3, and there is another 3. So the answer is plus 3322 because this is the bigger sign. Then we have minus 2718 minus of plus 6827. So minus sign outside the bracket, the sign inside the bracket changes. And since they have the same sign, so I will add. So I am simply adding it and writing the answer directly here. 7 plus 8 is 5, 15, that's 5, 1 carry. 3 plus 1 is 4, 8 plus 7 is 15, 1 carry. So this is 8 plus 2 is 10 and the sign remains as minus. The next question is sum of two integers is 17 and one of them is minus 35. So you will get to know how to do linear equation sums, but so I'm just giving you a hint. Minus 35 when added to a number, suppose x, I'm getting 17. So to find the other number, if I know the addition answer and I know one of them, I can subtract to find the other number. So the other number would be sum minus the first number, that is 17 plus 35. So 17 plus 35 is 252. So the answer is plus 52. Next question is, so the next question is what must be added to minus 23 to get 9? What must be added to minus 23 to get minus 9? So the addition answer is minus 9. So the answer should be the sum minus the first number. This is the second number. So what must be added? So the first number is minus 23 and the second number is the question mark and the addition answer is minus 9. So this becomes minus 9, change of sign because the sign outside the bracket is minus. So that becomes plus 23, which gives plus 14. So I can say 14 must be added to minus 23 to get the answer minus 9. Okay. The next question is what is the predecessor of 0? The number that comes just before 0. So we can see that on the number line very easily. The answer will be minus 1. Find the successor and predecessor of the following integers. So minus 31, what comes after minus 31? Minus 30. And what comes before minus 31? Minus 32. What comes after minus 735? That would be minus 734. And what comes before minus 735? That is minus 736. What comes after minus 240? Minus 239. And what comes before 240? Minus 240, 241 with a minus sign. So with this we come to an end of this exercise. I will soon post another video on exercise 3.4. Till then, please share your feedback and doubts in the comment section. Please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.